Welcome to Safety Products. Today we'll be looking at the safety rip device. Here we are showing you the incorrect installation setup for the safety rip device. As you can see, the device activation pull forces are very high due to the dead end taking most of the force. This may contribute to a non-activation of the belt rip and won't show which side of the belt has ripped. Here we are showing you the correct installation and how easily the device activates and ensures the detection of even the smallest belt rip. Remember that the socket also has tension adjustment for that finer tensioning. This now allows you to check the correct side of the belt, as each device covers an individual side only. Thank you for watching.